Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're already in your phone. Open Settings and move straight to Languages and Input. Once there, tap Current Keyboard to see which input app is active. If you use Gboard or Vivo keyboard, tap the keyboard name to open its settings. Make sure to follow this exact path because different keyboards store predictive options separately. Disabling in one won't affect another. Now locate Text Correction or Predictive Text. This is the control you'll turn off in the next step. You're in the keyboard settings now. Look for Text Correction or Smart Typing. Once found, tap it to reveal suggestion controls like Predictive Text, Next Word Suggestions, and Personalized Suggestions. Turn each relevant toggle to off. Do this one by one so you know which feature you disabled. If you use more than one keyboard app, repeat the same toggles for each keyboard. This removes on-device predictions and prevents the keyboard from inserting suggested words as you type. After toggling off predictive options, test by typing in messages or notes to confirm suggestions are gone. If predictions persist, clear the keyboard app cache or data via Settings app's keyboard storage, then restart the phone. This resets saved suggestions. If that still fails, switch the current keyboard to another app like Gboard or SwiftKey and repeat the disabling steps there. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no third-party keyboard is active.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.